normal restaurant or any other place like airports and the music is going on, what's the ruling? Because we can't ask them to stop, nor we can fight for them. Because we cannot ask, who's this? Because we cannot ask, no, you can ask. What is the problem? If you tell them, please stop the music, they will kill you? They will not kill you. Okay? In a nice way, tell them, please, can you stop the music? If they accept, alhamdulillah. If they don't accept, as-salama, I'll go to another restaurant. That's it. But if you are in a place, wallah, you are in a non-Muslim country and you don't have a place, or you are a visitor and you want to eat food, stay and they will be the sinners. Okay? Or, for example, if they don't stop, tell them, please reduce, or tell them, oh, wallah, I like to speak to the manager. Or after you finish, tell them, please give me the paper. In many restaurants, there is a paper. You write your opinion. So tell them, I want your paper. I want to write my opinion. So write in your opinion, put your email, put your mobile number, and tell them, please, no need for the music. Okay? And put the reason. I am Muslim, wallah, it is not allowed in Islam, or no use for the music. Right. Do something, please.